Hey, what's up, guys? Actually, I thought of showing you while I'm writing these goals of the month, but I was writing when camera was off, and actually, I not noticed that though. So let's continue. I drew this teddy bear, and it is so cute actually. Now let's start with study plan. அந்த குட்டி புக் க்யூட்டாக இருக்கும் பாருங்களேன். Actually, I don't know why, but I love drawing these 3 lines. They are so cute. First, I'm going to put a box using 2 lines, and inside I'm going to divide into 4 so that I'll be writing whatever I want. First, I'm going to write chapters which I needed to complete, and then storybooks which I read or wanted to read. This box is going to be for writing works, and then down incomplete works. அந்த ஸ்டோரி புக் காலம் மட்டும் கண்ணு மூடி திறக்கிறதுக்குள்ளே ஃபில் ஆகிடும், பட் ஆனால் சாப்டர்ஸ் காலம்லாம் வந்து வருஷக்கணக்கானாலும் சத்தியமாக ஃபில் ஆகாது. And then now I'm going to use blue color sketch to decorate all those lines. And now I'm going to draw a small book, a group of books over there. And here I'm going to draw a cute little craft, and then that side I'm going to draw butterflies. Wow, this book came cute than I expect. And now let's turn off the page and start doing work about travel plans. I just have some ideas by drawing those boxes like a map, like old tour map. And now make those hints so dark so that it will give you more attractive look. I named this box for place, and inside I'm going to put some arrows, and I drew a 2 box like this. How much of a box you want you can draw and name it them. Now let me draw some cute little plane. Details about background music are given in the description. You can go and check it out. I completed drawing a small cute little stamp, and then now I'm going to draw a branch with some flowers and color that with little sketches. And now I'm going to give pink color for the flowers and green color for the stem to make them little more attractive. Hey, sorry Mr. Plain, I forgot to color you. Now give outline with your yellow color sketch so that I'll be getting more attractive look like a map. And then now I'm going to stick paper tape and write love world ... Wait, I actually said 3 dots, but I kept only 2 dots. Forgive me, dude. Let me take some break. And then now let's go to snacks time, which means like movie time will be the best time to eat snacks, right? And now I'm going to draw a big huge box and write best movie of the year 2021. Never mind that I love keeping stars, and just do whatever I said on the last time, like darken the box and give the yellow shade on it. And now I'm going to draw a cute little cup with some other snacks items. Wait, before that I would like to put a separate column for best music of the year 2021, and at this time I wanted you guys to comment your favorite singer, and mine be like Ariana Grande. And the final box is for a best web series on 2021. And wait, let me say that is actually a popcorn, never mind. Yeah, now it's time to color them. Well, this is going to be the special page because here I'm going to write wishes that came true on 2021. And now my only wish is to fill that page with my wishes that came true on 2021. Obviously, God, you have to help me doing this. And now I'm going to add some stars and star tails and color them with yellow color sketch pen. I love this background music actually. And now I'm going to add some different kind of leaf at the end of the page to get some aesthetic look, and then color them with yellow color sketch pen. And now we are going to complete this page by adding some arrows at the end of the page. Hey, what's up guys? Hope you enjoyed this video. And இந்த வீடியோக்கு முன்னாடி நான் ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டிருந்தேன், அதாவது ஜான்வரி மந்தோட எவ்ரி வீக்கோட புல்லட்டிங் எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி போட்டிருந்தேன். இஃப் நாட் யூ கோ அண்ட் வாட்ச் தட் வீடியோ. அண்ட் இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி வீடியோஸ்லாம் நான் வந்து மந்த்லி போடலாம். மந்த்லி ஒரு 2 வீடியோஸ் நான் இந்த மாதிரி போடுவேன். ஸோ ஸ்டே டியூன், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் டு மை சேனல் அண்ட் போட்ட வீடியோஸ்லாம் வந்து பார்த்துட்டு என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. பாய்.